Hello folks, today we're going to be opening our box of seeds we got. This should be the last thing of seeds that we get. This is from the Vermont Bean Seed Company, and at the end of this video we're going to be showing you how we get our pepper seeds started. We actually start them on a paper towel in a plastic bag, let them get germinated, and then we'll transplant that there into the dirt. Let's get started. As you can see, it wasn't a very big order. The paper stuff here. Alright. Here's some tomato seeds we got here. We'll let you know how they do. And then also we got another little thing of the sweet corn, the glacial white. Let's see what else we got here. We had ordered another little pack of pumpkin seeds to try. Carolyn wanted to get her some parsley. And here's another variety of cabbage we're going to have. Now, I got 2 bags of these Monte Cristos. We really enjoyed them last year. And this is one of the few companies that I found that actually had them. And we had to get the little 100 pack of them. They didn't have the 500 pack in stock yet. But we got 2 of those. And then we had some Roma tomatoes, but I thought, be on the safe side, we'll go ahead and get us another pack of them. Those are good for canning and sauces. It's just a good all-around tomato. We got 2 packs of those. So that's all we got in that seed haul, folks. We're going to get ready and show you how we do our peppers right now. Alrighty. Now all you do, you wet in your towel, unfold it here. Now like I said, this seems to be the best luck we've had about germinating peppers. Get a better germination rate for us. Now like I said, this works for us. Then just lay them out there on your paper towel. Just lay them out there on your paper towel, shoot. I think our light just went off on our camera there. And then once these here do germinate, after about 3 days, keep an eye on them. Once a day check, you should start seeing something there at least by the 4th or 5th day. And then after they germinate, we'll take them and transplant them into dirt. What kind are these, Shug?
They're the King Arthur hybrid sweet pepper.
We're actually getting a little bit later start on the peppers than what we usually like to do, but this year has been a bad year, folks. Young Seed Company actually gave us 2 seeds more than what we were supposed to have got. So that's a good thing for that. Alrighty, show us what we do now, Shug.
Just fold it up.
Now folks, you don't have to use a colored baggie. It just so happened that's all Wally World had in stock that day when we bought these.
Just label your bag.
And then it's on up in May before we're able to start planting peppers and all anyway, so Lord willing, we should have plenty of time. Alrighty. Now what we do, we'll just take these like what we've been doing in the past. The refrigerator top of it stays fairly warm on top of there. We'll just take that and lay that baggie up there. Just find you a warm place, not hot, just somewhere.
Or if they have a heating mat.
Yeah, if you happen to have a heating mat, that'll work great too. Now let's go ahead and do the other ones there. I'll keep quiet and you all can just watch Carolyn and see what she does. Alrighty folks, Carolyn got done those quick and easy. Now we'll just take these and set them up on top of the refrigerator, warm place, and we'll leave them alone for at least 3 days, and then we'll start checking on them. And then like I said, we'll take those once they do sprout, and then we'll plant them in the soil up there. Folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And if you would, share it with your friends. Let them know about us. And you all have a blessed day. Thank you again for watching.